going to move on to division. This is the simple division. We're going to do long division later. Um, okay, so now we're going to do the bus type of method of division. So we're just going to fill in the number you're dividing inside the bus. Okay, so we're going to start with seeing as 5. Does 5 divide go into 8? No, that's really clear. So that would be a 0. 8 divided by 53. Well, actually, there is 8 does go into 53, but it goes in only 8 times. No, what am I saying? 8 times, 6 times. So the closest number is 48, which the multiple is 8 times 6. So therefore, you put the 6 on top, and then you subtract 53 minus 48. Okay, so I already told you like it's remainder 5, but we're gonna use our skills for subtracting. So you need to borrow from there, and that will turn to 4, and now that's gonna turn to 13, and 13 minus 8 is 5, and 4 minus 4 is 0. You drag down the 0 on the top. Okay, next one is also the multiple of 6 because 48 is the closest to 50. So 50 minus 48, which that's remainder 2. You don't really need to do a whole thing. You can see it clearly. And then you drag down the 9. And 9 divided by 24, 29. The closest number to 29 in, I guess, the 8 timetable is 24, as I mentioned. And the multiples are 8 times 3, which in this case you have to put the 3 on the top, and then you subtract 24 by 29. Yeah, as I discussed. Nine minus 24, which is remainder 5, and you drag down the 6. Okay, so now you know in the multiple of the 8 timetable there's 56. So 8 divided by 56, which is 7, and the multiple is 8 times 7. You put the 7 on top, and then you minus 56 by 56, which is 0. Okay, so therefore our final and ultimate answer is 6,637. Okay, now we're going to move on to long division. Okay, so the differences that long division tend to have is it has 2 digits outside the bus, or it could be even more. So 59 into divided by 58 will clearly not go in, so we're going to use 581. And at this point, you have to actually try and use your common sense because it's a bit stressful and it's a big number. But if you think about it, round 60 and then round 500 and round 559 and round 581, which that makes 60 and that makes 600. And yeah, that's why I decided to times it by 6, because I was thinking like 60 60 goes once into 100, and so therefore I was thinking 100 once each time, so 6 times. You have to kind of use your common sense in this. Just do a bit more practice and you'll get the handle of it. So 9 times 6 will be 54, and then carry that 5, which that means 5 times 6 is 30 plus 5 is 35. I just realized that number is a bit too low, so maybe we could add, maybe we could, ooh, okay, maybe we should try, if you think about it, 59 times 10 will equal 590, and our number we're trying to get close to is 581. Sorry, I'm just writing it out for you guys. So since that's 590, maybe therefore we can use 9 because it's below 590, and that's the closest to 581. So therefore our estimate is 59 times 9, and let's see how it goes. So 9 times 9 is 81, carry the 8. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 8, which that is 53. Okay, so now we're going to do the same as the single revision. We're just going to minus 500 and 581 by 531, which that will be, 1 minus 1 is 0, 8, I forgot to put the multiple on top, so that will be 9. Okay, so 8 minus 3 will be 5, and then 5 minus 5 is 0. And then you drag down the 2. This is the same as the single one. It's just because it's in a bigger scale. That's why it's a bit hard to do long division. But as soon as you get the hang of it, especially since in the English UK GCSE paper, they do non-calculated papers. Okay, so we're going to try and estimate 8 because it's only a little bit below. So that'll be 8 times 5, which will be 40, plus 7, which will be 472. And you do the same thing. You subtract that from 502, which that will be, sorry, I keep forgetting to put the 8 because I don't want to forget. So 2 minus 2 will be 0. You need to borrow from there, so that 5 will turn into a 4. And then that will turn into 10. 10 minus 7, which that will be 3. And 4 minus 4, which is 0. Then the same old thing, drag down that 6 because, yeah, I was going to try and make a rhyme, but yeah, just ignore me. I don't know why I was trying to be funny, but okay. So nextly, we're going to have to try and estimate how much 59s are going to get into 306. So my estimate, I feel like it will be literally half of 59 times 10 because that's literally almost up to 600. So let's just try it. Yeah. So it will be 295. So you just subtract that, which you'll get your beautiful answer. Like, you guys know how to subtract now. Learn how to just do questions, guys. Do questions. Which that's what will be 11, and you drag down that 18. So which that will make 118 divided by 59, which since that's low, like I said rounded it up that 59 goes once into 100. That could be 2 in my estimate. Which, yeah, I was specifically right. And then 118 minus 118 will be 0. And I keep on forgetting to literally put the 2 on top. And I even forgot to put the... Guys, I really have to sort this out. I forgot to put 5. Oh, sorry. Oops. Let's rub that out. Find the rubber. Okay. 5. And then 2. Okay, sorry. That's okay. That's sorted. And therefore, you get your answer of 9,852. Honestly, if this is literally that's literally beautiful. I wish that was the whole maths paper. We all wish, guys. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Next video we're going to discuss adding decimals, subtracting them, multiplying, dividing them, all kinds. And guys, this website called GCSE Maths Workshops, worksheets, I'm telling you, this will definitely benefit you, and it helps you, I guess, learn the basic criteria of the spec. But please, these videos are not enough for you to pass maths. Like, you have to do independent work, do more exam questions. These are just videos that are guiding you into, we call it, into understanding the methods. Okay, that is it for today, and I hope to see you guys next week. Okay, bye.